A broken bank link in Klover usually happens when your bank credentials change, the connection expires, or Klover can't verify your recent banking activity through its data provider. By the end of this, you'll know how to fully reset a broken bank connection, how to reconnect your account correctly, and how to prevent it from breaking again. Start by opening the Klover app and going to your linked bank account settings. If your bank shows as disconnected, the sync has already failed and needs a full reset. Next, remove the existing bank connection instead of trying to repair it. Leaving a broken link in place often causes repeated connection errors. After removing it, reconnect your bank using your correct online banking login. Use the same username and password you use for your bank's official app or website. If login fails, the issue is usually with your bank credentials, not Klover. Next, check if your bank recently updated security settings or required a password reset. Banks often trigger third-party connection breaks after security changes. If that happened, update your credentials first, then reconnect inside Klover. Now confirm your bank app works normally outside of Klover. If you can't log in directly with your bank, the sync will not work in Klover either. Next, make sure your Klover app is fully updated. Older versions can cause authentication errors or prevent new connections from saving properly. If the connection still fails, sign out of Klover and sign back in. That refreshes your session and can clear stuck connection data. If you recently changed phones, banks, or login details, the system may require a full relink before it stabilizes. In that case, a clean reconnection usually resolves the issue. Try reconnecting on a stable Wi-Fi network instead of mobile data. Weak connections can interrupt authentication and cause silent failures. Avoid repeatedly attempting to connect without deleting the old link first. That can create duplicate sync errors that are harder to fix later. If nothing works, contact Klover support and provide your bank name and error message. To sum it up, delete the broken link, reconnect your bank with updated credentials, verify your bank access and refresh your app session. Next, always reset the connection instead of stacking new login attempts. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Klover tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and personal finance tips.